Alright, check out this scratch. Customer said they sideswiped a baby unicorn on the highway? I don't know. Anyway, scratch went all the way through the clear coat, all the way through the paint. So let's do a color fill scratch repair. Let me get this thing cleaned up, see what we're working with. I've got some 2000 grit sandpaper. I'm going to get it all scratched up before we start putting color and clear coat in there. This is just some solvent. I'm going to clean out that scratch, make sure there's nothing in there. Alright, then I got my capillary action pen with the factory color, so I'm going to fill in this whole scratch with this color. I think I did 2 coats of color. And then this is clear coat. I'm going to fill it in the same way. I believe I did 2 coats of clear as well. So after that clear's in there, I'm going to let it set up. Let that clear coat catalyze, and yeah, this is 2 hours later. I'm going to spray some detail spray on there, and then actually put the right stuff, some water on there. This 2000 grit again. I'm just going to wet sand that clear coat I put in there flat. And then we got to get my 2000 scratches out with some 2500. We got to get the 2500 out with the 3000. And then after the 3000, we got to get the 3000 out with the 5000. That cleaned up, and it's ready to buff. I got the atoms with some coarse compound. Get that buffed out. This is ×4. Nobody buffs this quick. And there it is. You can kind of catch some of the scratch where it was, but it's better than a white line going across your car. Customer was stoked. It's good to go.